Previously on 24.
Hi.
Sir, could we please get back to the meeting?
Right.
So since you're applying for a job, I'd like to know what experience you have with copying.
I love copying. It's like, I love it. I copied thousands of papers day and night.
Okay, so you're enthusiastic, but you say you have experience?
Well, I copy a lot.
I'm sorry, Mr. Weisercheck.
It's my job.
I'm sorry, Mr. Weisercheck. You're not the right one for the job. I'm sorry to say this, just we're looking for somebody with a little more experience and who can be a little bit calmer around the office. You know, take it down a notch. You're just a little too up there. I'm sorry.
No, you can't take me.
Don't touch that. It's expensive.
Sir,
Sir, just please go. We have customers waiting. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Curse FedEx Kinkos! Hey, Canada boy, I need something from you. You don't like FedEx Kinkos, do you? They don't ship to Canada.
Nah.
I need a bomb.
Bomb. There you go.
It's perfect.
What are you doing?
Shut up!
Hey!
You hamburger-eating American!
Hey, the attendance over. Get out of here.
Get out!
Right now. Leave. Run. I don't ever want to see you around these halls again. Tuck your shirt in.
Mr. Levitt, there's a bomb. Do you know the way to Miss Landis's office?
You're on the right track.
Thank you. Mr. Wyzort's making the bomb.
How does that make you feel?
We need to do something about it.
Here. Have a Jolly Rancher. I'll go take care of it.
Quiet, please. It's in the hole!
I can't let you go to school.
It's finally ready. What are you doing here?
I'm not going to let you go up to school. It's not my turn.
D as in defeat.
Gosh, I'm hungry. Breakfast time. Love them all, each and every one.
I feel a kinship with the class of 2011 because they were really their freshman year was my first year here as a teacher, and over the years I've really watched them develop and mature into men who are ready for college. For example, in 9th grade, Banks Griffin was just this guy with crazy hair who didn't know when to stop talking. Oh wait. But no, seriously. From Lord of the Flies and the Classroom Island Melee to Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close to Appalachia Habitat and college essays, and I don't even know how many ridiculous physics games in the Writing Center. You guys have been great, and I wish you the best of luck, and I will miss having you in these hallowed halls.
Good luck. Keep your litmus paper dry.
Well, I'm in the right place, chose the right profession. But most of all, I enjoyed reading their papers. I didn't have them write enough papers. But their words will reach out beyond my classroom, and all the others that have taught them how to write will have prepared them for good things. Thank you.
Class of 2011. All I can say is it's the best and worst class I've ever seen.
You know what? A lot of my seniors really like to startle me with their crazy, sick, wild ideas, and it's just so much fun to see them try to startle me, because, you know, I've seen it all, I've heard it all. They can't startle me. These bunch of prep school guys think they've really seen the world. Forget about it.
Seniors, I'm going to miss you guys, especially hanging out in my office all the time and being crazy and just being yourselves. I wish you all the best, and come back and see us.
Well, let's see. Senior class, the class of 2011. I liked them a lot. I thought they were pretty good. They were a really good class. I enjoyed teaching them. Oh, wait a minute. Class of 2011?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I hated them. Yeah, I didn't like them at all. I don't really have many fond memories of them at all. In fact, did I even teach anyone from the class of 2011? I don't remember. Hold on, let me see.
I mean, I was in your class, and there was Joe, and...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't like him. Didn't like him. Hated him. Worthless. Worthless. Slept through my class. Slept through my class. Slept. Slept. Learned nothing. Learned nothing. Hated him. Hated him. Hated him. He was okay. Yeah, I don't really have too many fond memories. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Anything you want to say for good luck, then?
What can I say? Yeah, you're gonna need it. The one thing you do have going for you is that you're just a little bit better than the class of 2010. Darn you, William Dasha. Well, good luck and do your best.
Specifically for Jared Coleman. Jared, this is a deer. I'm not sure that you've ever actually seen one.
Let's see what Mr. Lyons has to say about our senior class. Mr. Lyons, do you have any comments or words of advice for our seniors?
The class of 2011?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to know what I didn't like about this senior class? Well, as with most other senior classes, I don't like seniors. But in all seriousness, I really have nothing negative to say. Good bunch of guys, made a lot of friends with these fellas. Good McCallie man. I'll miss them. Favorite quote from a senior? Well, that came from Jack Morrow when he and I were talking about an issue with which he and I had a disagreement. And Jack said, "I'll just bring Austin Smith in here to debate that one with you." Jack never did that. And finally, advice I would give the senior class would be this: live honorably, make a difference, pursue your passions, don't take yourself too seriously, and, gentlemen, go to class next fall. Best wishes, men. I'll miss you.